So here's my another video which starts with the beautiful people. So in this video we're going to see that how can we download Instagram photos, videos and stories in our phone. So without wasting time, let's start the video. Okay guys, so first of all we will need two apps, that is Instant Saver and Story Saver. So first we will see how to download stories. So when you open the app, you will see profiles. You need to select any one profile and then you will see all the stories present over there. So if you tap and hold on a story, particular story, you will get a preview of the story. And if you want to save it, you just need to single tap and then you will see three options: repost, save and share. So if you want to save, you can save. It will directly go into your gallery. You can repost and share it also. Moving ahead, if you click on the profile image or the profile picture, you will be redirected to its whole profile. So basically you can view the profile from here itself. You can download and check the profile simultaneously. Again guys, if you click on the three lines present in the top left corner and click on the small arrow, you get an option called add account. So you can use two accounts at the same time. So it will be handy if you handle two accounts to download stories. So guys, there you get another option, and that is favorites option. So you can favorite particular profiles which you like and you can download the stories quickly. So moving ahead, we will see how to download images and videos. So once you open the Instant Saver app, you need to click on the Instagram icon, and then when you get there, you need to select the photo which you want to download and click on the three dots which is present in the top right corner of the image. So you will see an option called copy link. So when you click that copy link option, you will be redirected to the Instant Saver app and the photo or the video will be automatically downloaded. If you want to view that, you can just click on the three lines present in the top left corner and select the gallery option. So you will see all your downloaded photos and videos. So guys, this is pretty much for the video. I really hope that you like the video, and if you like the video, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to leave a like. Thanks for watching.